Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram comments photo unavailable error problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection and make sure there is no issue with your internet connection. And then find Instagram apps. Now long press on Instagram apps. Open Instagram app info, click on I button or app info. Go to storage option. Clear cache your Instagram storage. Don't click on clear data. Now click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Search Instagram apps. Search for Instagram apps and then update your Instagram apps in latest version. After update your Instagram apps, now restart your device. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully.